Hey guys, I'm Manish and welcome to B-Town Style Under 3, where I break down celebrity looks in under 3 minutes. Now today I'm going to show you one of Siddhant Chaturvedi's looks which will give you complete and total #VK goals. Now the actor was spotted at the airport in a breezy powder blue linen shirt that had a very comfortable chilled out vibe. Now he paired it with white linen shorts, white kicks and a pair of sunglasses to complete the entire look. Now guys, linens in neutral colors are a great #OOTD to beat the summers. It's a timeless piece and a must-have staple for those tropical seasons. Now taking inspiration from Siddhant, let me show you guys a few ways to incorporate this into your wardrobe. Now first up, I have this salmon pink shirt, which is a full sleeve linen shirt. Now this gives you a very formal vibe, but if you French untuck the shirt and roll back the sleeves, it gives you that perfect casual vibe. Now you can color block this salmon shirt with a pair of aqua shorts like this one. Throw on a pair of 2-strap slides to get that complete laid-back beach holiday look. Or for a more conventional look, you can wear this pink shirt with beige chinos like this one and brown accessories, namely tan loafers and a brown belt. Now this look is the definition of business casual. Now another business casual is linen pants, and these ones in particular are my favorite pair. Now these powdered blue linen pants are absolutely perfect when paired with a white shirt. A colored block white shirt like this one with a blue stripe across the chest could really help you create that sophisticated outfit that's perfect for brunch. A pair of tan loafers or boat shoes would also bring out that relaxed aesthetic of the outfit. Alternatively, you can style these linen blue pants with a navy blue shirt for that complete monochrome blue look, which is actually very striking and is one of the biggest trends this season. Now let me show you a way to layer up using linen. This lightweight grey waistcoat is an unexpected way to layer up without breaking a sweat. What I really like about the waistcoat is the zipper on the chest and of course the silver buttons. A really funky way to wear this would be to wear it with Indian wear. Pair this grey waistcoat with either pastel blue or a pink kurta for that polished look. You can also ditch the Desi boy vibe and pair this waistcoat with checkered or plain black trousers like this one that I have here and a crisp white shirt to complete a full dapper look. Linen is one of those classic fabrics that's fashionable, laid back and will be flattering no matter what your size. Well, I hope you guys are inspired to add more linen to your wardrobe. For now, that's all from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look next time. Until then, ciao. Today, I'm going to show you how to rock an iconic classic print that's always been in style and will continue to look trendy as well. Siddhant Chaturvedi was spotted at an event in this look, which consisted of a black and white chalk striped blazer which had a sophisticated double-breasted design. He wore this with a black round neck t-shirt and black chinos. He completed the look with black high-top sneakers and a pair of oversized squared sunglasses. This all-black outfit had lots of swag and looked modern. For a look that gives a daytime appropriate spin to Siddhant's outfit, start with a powder blue and white striped blazer very similar to the one that I have here, which has horizontal candy stripes in alternating colors of blue and white. The pairing of these complementary two hues creates a pattern that's simple yet very sophisticated and will help you create a very suave look. You can pair this with beige chinos very similar to the ones that I have over here. Throw on a crisp white shirt and tan tassel loafers for a look that's stylish. Now the next piece that I have gives a very casual remix to the classic white shirt. This shirt features grey stripes on a white shirt background and would be great to elevate your casual outfit. The combination of white shirt and blue jeans, similar to the ones that I have here, really works well in this setting. I suggest you fold the sleeves of the shirt for an even more relaxed vibe. Pair this outfit with white sneakers and a silver watch for a look that works well for college or even for casual coffee dates. This shirt features a rich maroon shade with horizontal stripes of navy blue. The pattern features a 3D stitched stripe, which is an interesting detail. Pair this with black jeans very similar to the ones that I have over here. Another way to wear this shirt would be to layer it over a white t-shirt and black jeans combo. White sneakers and beaded bracelets would also work very well with the aesthetic of this shirt. You could also try this white t-shirt that has horizontal grey stripes on it, and what's really interesting about this t-shirt is the contrast plum neckline, which is a very cool touch. Pair this t-shirt with grey chinos and white sneakers for a more dapper look. Add a leather backpack and a snapback cap and you've got the perfect look for college. So I hope you're inspired to add more pieces of this iconic print into your closet. If you haven't worn stripes already, it's time to make these stripes a part of your wardrobe. That's it from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look next time. Until then, ciao.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, Celeb Looks Originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.